this is Laura with Spring Wind Skoolie, and this is my first video. I'm really excited. This is our bus. We got it about a year ago come October, and we had really high hopes of getting it done by last spring break, and I think we kind of set our expectations too high. You know, the key to happiness is always to keep your expectations low. So why did I want to start the YouTube channel now? I mean, it's been almost a year. Well, I had the privilege of going out to San Diego, California with my sisters for the weekend. And while we were there, my sister was able to go to one of her favorite YouTubers' new shop she was opening, somebody that has really influenced her to do what she does, which is refurbish furniture and paint and do like all these super cool crafts. And she got to meet some people, and I got to sit in on some Q&A with those YouTubers she loves. And one of the things that stuck out was you just got to do it. You just got to pull the trigger and do it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I mean, better late than never. By the way, check out my sister's YouTube channel, Mama Bear Blue. She does some really cool crafty things on there. You're gonna like it. So why did we decide to get a bus? Well, 2 or 3 years ago, our family went through some, let's just say some difficult circumstances, just family stuff. And it was really, really hard. And luckily, I have wonderful friends, great family, and an excellent faith community, and a doctor who prescribed me Lexapro to get me through it. And now I got some pep in my step. When we were in the middle of that whole mess, my husband asked me, what's something that would just make you so happy? And I said, I want to buy a bus and I want to travel across the country. And he was like, yes, this is what we're going to do. So we started looking for buses for sale, and we went to different places that sold used school buses, and we just weren't finding what we wanted. So we got on Facebook Marketplace, and I clicked on it, and the first thing I saw was a bus for sale that was 30 minutes from our house. So we hurried into the car and drove out that way and found this bus, and we pulled the trigger and we brought her home, and she was beautiful. And we pretty much started demo immediately because we were so excited. And we found out that with 4 kids and me having a part-time job and Casey, like the breadwinner, having, you know, no time, we didn't keep up on the conversion. So it's taken us a lot longer, but that's okay. Stuff. Our bus is a 97 Bluebird, has a front engine, has about 150,000 miles on it currently, and we're hoping to put a lot more miles on it. The bus started as a school bus, and once it was done being a school bus, a man bought it and decided to make a band bus out of it. So he and his band members traveled all over the place and played their music. And once he was done with it, he sold it to another guy who made it his fishing rig. He would load his buddies up and take them up to Michigan for fishing trips. And now it's going to be our traveling bus, so we can see the country and expand our horizons outside of rural Indiana. You're probably wondering where the name Spring Wind came from. Well, I'm a huge music fan. I love music. I play music. I live for music. It speaks to my soul. It's just my thing. There's a song lyric. It goes, love calls like the wild birds. It's another day. The spring wind went and blew my list of things to do away. And I love the concept of that song. We're just scrapping the list and going out and doing what you love, or learning something new, or traveling, or whatever it is. Just forget about the to-do list. Let's go have some fun. Right, Stevie? Yeah. In some of the upcoming videos, I want to show you some pictures from the demo and the floor prep and windows and all the things that I didn't YouTube from the beginning. I'm kind of sad about it, but it's okay. We're going to get it done. So hopefully you can continue to watch, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye. Come on, Stevie. Come on. What are you doing?